Nobody wants their kitchen cluttered with dirty dishes or stuck with lingering food smells. That's where a good dishwasher makes all the difference. Today, we're giving you a quick rundown on what to look for when picking the perfect dishwasher, covering types, features, noise levels, and more. Let's get into it. First things first, measure your space. Standard dishwashers are about 24 inches wide, but if you're working with a compact area, you might need an 18-inch model. Be sure to check the width, depth, and height, and also check the clearance of the door opening. Next, you have to understand the different types. Built-in is the most common, with the standard size of being 24 inches wide and is designed to be a permanent fixture in your kitchen that offers the most capacity and advanced features. This is great for families and those who run frequent loads. Next are drawers. These are extremely flexible and are available in single or double configurations. You can run separate cycles or simultaneously with a double drawer. Perfect for small kitchens, singles, couples, or those who do smaller, more frequent loads. And then there's panel ready, which is one of the most popular today because they blend into your cabinetry for a seamless custom look. Front panels match your existing cabinet doors, great for high-end or designer kitchens. They virtually disappear when closed, offering a streamlined, integrated aesthetic, and this usually requires professional installation and a custom panel. And there are even portable and countertop dishwashers available for those who are interested. When it comes to dishwashers, how well it cleans is what matters the most. Targeting dishwashers with multiple spray arms are going to give you better coverage. Traditional dishwashers may have 1 or 2 arms, but the newer models are going to feature 3 or more. This includes those arms for those hard to reach spots like the top rack or silverware trays. Some even have targeted spray zones or rotating precision jets to blast on stuck-on food. Soil sensors that are going to detect how dirty the water is during the wash cycle, and the dishwasher will adjust the time, temperature, and water usage accordingly. Stainless steel tubs are superior because they can withstand higher drying temperatures and lead to better drying performance overall, especially for glass and plastic items. And if sound's important to you, you'll find that stainless steel dishwashers tend to be quieter. And lastly, options like Sanitize that use extremely high temperatures, or Crystal Care for delicate dishes, along with other specialty cycles that dishwashers offer, can prolong the life of your dishes and offer you peace of mind. Drying performance plays a critical role in choosing a dishwasher. Heated drying uses an electric heating element at the bottom of the dishwasher to dry the dishes, quickly right after the rinse cycle. It's great if you want your dishes dry and ready to put away immediately, especially for heavier items like plates and glassware. Condensation drying doesn't use a heating element. Instead, it relies on natural heat from the final rinse, using hot water and the cooler stainless steel tub to pull moisture directly off the dishes. It's a lot more energy efficient and safer for delicate plastics, but can often remain wet at the end of the cycle just because it doesn't retain heat like glass or ceramic. And some dishwashers, especially premium models, feature auto opening doors that pop open slightly at the end of the cycle. This allows that hot, moist air to escape and cooler room air to flow in, which speeds up the drying process and reduces the moisture buildup inside. It's particularly helpful in improving the drying performance for plastics and complex dish shapes. Dishwasher noise matters, so you'll want to pay attention to the decibel rating. 38 to 44 is practically silent, perfect for open concept homes, apartments, or smaller living spaces. 45 to 50 decibels, it's a quiet hum. You'll likely hear a hum or a soft swishing of water, but it's not disruptive. And lastly, 51 and up, you're going to notice the noise. You'll definitely hear the dishwasher working, water splashing, motor sounds, and possibly even the clicking between the cycles. Racking capabilities and flexibility is important in a dishwasher. For example, here, a third rack is a shallow pull-out tray at the very top of a dishwasher designed to hold utensils, cutlery, and small kitchen tools like measuring cups or spatulas. It offers more loading space and better organization compared to traditional silverware baskets. Because each item is laid out flat, it allows for more thorough cleaning and drying, reducing nesting and missed spots. Adjustable upper racks to fit large glasses. The upper rack can typically be raised or lowered to create more vertical space where you need it. Lowering the rack gives you more room for tall glasses, wine stems, and even pitchers. Raising the rack creates additional clearance in the bottom to fit large pots, pans, baking sheets, oversized dishes, and more. Some dishwashers offer quick adjust levers, like you see here, that let you change the rack height even when it's fully loaded. It's very convenient. Folding tines for pots and pans. Tines are the vertical prongs that hold plates in place. Folding these tines can be pushed down to create open flat spaces in the racks. This makes it easy to load large bulky items like stock pots, casserole dishes, cutting boards, or even mixing bowls. Before we wrap up, there's a very popular feature in today's dishwashers that can elevate your experience. Many modern dishwashers now offer Wi-Fi integration, allowing you to connect your appliance to your smartphone app via the brand's specific app. Here you can see Bosch's Home Connect. Start, stop, pause cycles remotely, get completion notifications right on your phone or tablet, receive maintenance alerts, and when to refill your rinse aid or even clean the filter can all be accessed straight from your phone. Interior lighting automatically turns on when you open the door, making it easier to see, especially in dim kitchens or at night. It's going to help you quickly spot leftover items like utensils, baby bottle caps, or even small lids that otherwise might be missed. It will add a premium upscale feel to the dishwasher and improves the loading and unloading experience altogether. Leak detection is very important. This is a built-in safety feature that uses sensors to detect leaks or water pooling under the dishwasher. If a leak is detected, the system can automatically shut off the water supply to prevent flooding or floor damage. And our last feature is smart dispensers. If you use your dishwasher a lot, this is going to be very important because it's going to automatically release the right amount of detergent for each load based on soil level, cycle type, and load size. Some premium models offer auto-dosing systems that can hold enough detergent for multiple cycles, often up to 20 loads, so you don't have to refill every single time. This is going to ensure optimal cleaning without wasting detergent and helps avoid oversudsing. One of the best manufacturers for this is Miele and their AutoDose automatic dispensing system with power disc, like you can see here. And that's it, everyone. So be sure to measure your space, pick the right type with cleaning, drying technologies, the noise levels, and flexibility. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more appliance tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, because we would love to help you out. Thanks for watching.